Hello and namaskaram. Welcome to all the beautiful ladies out there. I'm back again with another beautiful episode, and in today's collection I have a variety of sarees for you ladies. I have lightweight pattu sarees along with mixed fancy. So our collection is basically about two collections today. So please sit back, enjoy, and please book a lot of sarees because today's collection is going to be a unique one. So before starting today's collection, I would like to show you all our sarees which are on the mannequins. So let's see the sarees. So ladies, now let's see the saree I'm wearing. As you can see, it is a very beautiful fancy saree which is peach in color. As you can see, the body has floral buttis in zardozi and thread work. A very beautiful floral jal and thread with zardozi work border. Very, very beautiful fancy saree ladies, peach in color. And a very, very beautiful running pallu for you, along with a nice contrast blouse. So let's see the details of this saree. If you wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, and the item code for this gorgeous fancy saree is Z656. I repeat the item code Z656, and the offer price is 15,520 rupees only. Offer valid only for 24 hours ladies. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next saree is a very, very beautiful Banarsi saree I can see here. Let's see our next saree. What a lovely color. It's a Banarsi fancy saree ladies, very, very lightweight. The color is magenta and pink, as you can see. The body of the saree has florals and leaves jal with floral buttis. Nice color ladies, very, very lightweight, looks very beautiful, magenta in color. Let's see the border which has floral jal ladies, very, very beautiful intricate work on the border. The pallu is a kadi. Let's see the pallu, a kadi worked pallu. Now this beautiful saree comes with a nice contrast blouse. Now let's see the details of the saree. If you wish to purchase this saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code is 8032. I repeat the item code 8032. And the offer price for this saree is 5,680 rupees only ladies. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. A beautiful Banarsi pink saree. Let's see our next saree. Again a very, very lightweight saree. Very, very feather light ladies. The collection of this is Kora. And it's again a peach colored saree. Let's see the body which has self-embossed florals. And the border which has floral jal, very beautiful intricate work, peach colored saree. Now the pallu of this saree has zari lines, as you can see. And this gorgeous saree comes with a self blouse. Let's see the details of this gorgeous saree. If you wish to take and purchase this saree, please take a screenshot along with the item code 8046. I repeat the item code 8046. And the offer price for this gorgeous peach colored Kora collection saree is 6,160 rupees only ladies. Very, very reasonable offer valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. I hope you ladies are shopping because today's collection is going to be a unique one. All lightweight saree along with a design and mixed pattu. Let's see our next saree. Again a very lightweight saree. Very, very beautiful. Again the collection is a Kora collection. And the color is a multicolor along with a green. Very, very beautiful saree. Let's see the body, which has self-embossed, ladies. It's a multicolored sari along with a hint of green color. Self-embossed on the body. Let's see the border of the sari, which has florals and leaves. It's a green colored border, as you can see, with florals and leaves. And the pallu of this sari is a zari lined pallu, as you can see. Now this sari again comes with a contrast blouse. If you wish to purchase this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this gorgeous sari, Kora collection, is AT47. I repeat the item code, AT47. And the offer price is 6,160 rupees. Let's see the item code once again, AT47. Take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Offers only valid for 24 hours, ladies. Make sure you book a lot of saris. Let's see our next sari. Again, a very lightweight, very lightweight. All the saris are very easy to wear, lightweight, not at all heavy on the body. This is a Chinia silk collection, as you can see. The color of this sari is wine and pink. Beautiful combination of wine and pink on the body. Let's see the border, which has florals and leaves. The body itself has florals and leaves. The pallu is a beautiful floral brocade pallu. And this sari comes with a nice contrast blouse. If you wish to purchase this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AT27. I repeat the item code, AT27. And the offer price is 4,160 rupees only. Very reasonable. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next sari. Please note down, ladies, that all these saris are very lightweight, beautiful colors with such intricate work. Take screenshots and send it to our WhatsApp number. Now let's see the details of this sari. This is a fancy sari, very beautiful. The color is a very nice lavender color, lightweight, very gorgeous, beautiful. The body has florals and geometrical checks with thread work. Loving the body of this sari. Also the color, my personal favorite, very lightweight. Let's see the border. Floral jal and thread work, as you can see the border. Now moving on to the pallu of this sari, which is floral buttis in thread work. Now this beautiful sari comes with a contrast blouse. Very beautiful lavender color. It's my personal favorite sari, ladies. Totally worth it. Take a screenshot along with the item code, and the details are AT39. The item code for this gorgeous lavender color fancy sari, AT39. And the offer price is 5,920 rupees only. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you take screenshots and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next sari. Before that, I would like to tell you all that you can follow us on our digital platforms, and if you don't know how to follow us, I'll show you how.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Moving on to our next sari, another beautiful fancy sari I have for you, ladies. It's yellow in color, very lightweight. I can't stop saying lightweight because all the saris are so lightweight, easy and comfortable to wear. The color combination is yellow and blue, as you can see, ladies. The body has floral buttis all over, very beautiful intricate designs all over the body. Let's see the border, which is blue in color and has floral jal on it. Very beautiful. I'm loving the combination of yellow and blue. Let's see the pallu. Again, a very gorgeous pallu. Floral buttis in zari, as you can see. Comes with a contrast blouse, ladies. Very beautiful combination of yellow and blue. If you wish to purchase this gorgeous sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the details of this sari are AT41. I repeat the item code AT41, and the offer price is 4,560 rupees only. Once again, the item code AT41, and the offer price is 4,560 rupees only. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on to our next sari. Again a lightweight, as you can see. The collection is the Korak collection. Beautiful sea green color for you. Let's see the body, which has florals and leaves in thread work. Such a beautiful sea green color, ladies. It's perfect for functions, festivals. As you know, festive season is going on. Please make sure you take screenshots. Let's see the border, which has floral jal again, a sea green color floral jal. Nice, beautiful border. Moving to our pallu, ladies. The pallu has zari lines. Now this sea green colored sari comes with a contrast blouse. If you wish to take this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AQ638. I repeat the item code AQ638. And the offer price is 6,640 rupees only. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure to send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Since festive season is going on, ladies, we have amazing offers for you. So please do make sure you take a lot of screenshots, because today's collection is all about lightweight saris which can be easily worn, comfortably worn. So please make sure you check all the saris and send us screenshots. Let's see our next sari. A very beautiful sari. It's a fancy collection. I really like the border. Let's see the body first, which has floral booties in Zardozi work. Very beautiful and gorgeous. Such a nice color. Let's see the border. I'm really loving the design on the border. It has floral booties in stones with Zardozi work. Such beautiful work, ladies. As you can see, it looks amazing when worn. Even the color combination is so beautiful. Also the pallu, which is a beautiful running pallu. I'm personally in love with this sari. I have a very nice offer with this, a ready-made blouse. A very beautiful ready-made blouse. As you can see, ladies, yellow in color. Combination goes really well. Very perfect for festive occasions. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, see the details, which are, the item code is Y259. I repeat the item code Y259, and the offer price is 10,320 rupees only. Offers are valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. A very beautiful sari, ladies. Don't miss this out. Let's see our next sari. A similar one to the before one, but even more beautiful. It's again a fancy collection, yellow colored sari. The body has florals in Gottapatti work. Very beautiful, ladies. Such a nice color. Let's see the border, my favorite part. Floral and stones. Very beautiful, intricate work. Perfect for festive occasions. Once again, let's see the pallu again. A running pallu for you. Beautiful border, ladies. This is also my favorite sari. Very gorgeous. Another amazing offer. Comes with a ready-made blouse. Let's see the blouse. Very beautiful contrast blouse. Such a beautiful design. Nice sleeves, heavily worked on. A very beautiful combination along with this sari. Let's see the details of this sari, ladies, because this is one of my favorite. Please make sure you take a lot of screenshots. The item code for this sari is AT36. I repeat the item code AT36, and the offer price is 10,320. Very reasonable, ladies. Offers valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next gorgeous sari. Again a very lightweight, beautiful sari. Fancy collection, mint green in color. I'm loving the color. It's very different, unique, vibrant. Looks very nice when worn, mint green color. Let's see the body, which has floral booties in Zardozi. Zardozi work is one of my favorite works, ladies. When worn, it looks very gorgeous. And it has D-stone works. So gorgeous. Lovely color, mint green. Let's see the border. Floral in pearls and stonework. Very simple yet elegant border on a mint green sari. Let's see the pallu, which is a nice running pallu. It has a ready-made contrast blouse. I will show you the blouse. Again, a very beautiful blouse. Beautiful color, ladies. Nice color. Looks nice with the mint green. It's heavily worked on. The neck, the sleeves. Very beautiful, fancy collection. A ready-made blouse. Looks really nice. Perfect for festive occasions. I would love to wear a sari like this. Let's see the details of the sari. The item code is Z655. I repeat the item code Z655, and the offer price is 8,000 only. Valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving ahead, ladies, I would like to tell you all that we have our showrooms in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. You can come down, visit our stores, see the collection for yourself, select your favorite sarees and go home with a lot of shopping bags. Or we have a very convenient service for you, which is via video call. You can call us on our WhatsApp number 8900010002, where we'll be showing you all our collections, unique collections, fancy sarees, mixed pattu sarees, a lot of collections for you ladies. So please make sure and send us a lot of screenshots. Let's see our next saree. A very beautiful saree, fancy collection, ladies, with multi-colors. Oh my god, today's collection is so amazing. I'm falling in love with all the sarees. Nice multi-colors on the body. Sequins and thread work in lines. Unique work, ladies. Intricate work. Very lightweight, very beautiful saree. Let's see the border, which has sequins and pearl work. Very beautiful multicolor border. Such elegant and lovely colors. The pallu is a running pallu, ladies. Very beautiful again. All the multicolors. This saree comes with a contrast blouse. If you like the saree, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AT37. I repeat the item code AT37, and the offer price is 4,960 rupees only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send in a lot of screenshots to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next gorgeous saree. It's a different and a unique one from the collection we've been seeing. Very lightweight. It's a chinia silk collection with beautiful combination of pink and blue, as you can see here. The body has all over floral butties, ladies. Very beautiful pink colored body. Moving on to the border, which has floral jal, and it's a navy blue colored border. Let's see the pallu again, which has florals and leaves jal. This gorgeous saree comes with a beautiful blue colored contrast blouse. The combination is very beautiful, ladies. Very lightweight, easy to wear, comfortable. If you like this saree and wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this saree is AT33. I repeat the item code AT33. And the offer price is 4,560 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving on, ladies, I would like to tell you all that you can follow us on our digital platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And if you don't know how, I will show you.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi BML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, optional for videos and live videos.
coming back to our beautiful collection once again. Let's see our next sari. The collection of this sari is the Kora collection. Very, very lightweight, comfortable, easy to wear. A beautiful orange and purple combination, ladies. The orange is so elegant, looks lovely. The body has florals and leaf buttis, as you can see. Orange colored body. Very beautiful Kora collection. And the border which has florals and leaf buttis, purple in color. Very beautiful, lovely, intricate design on the border. Simple yet elegant. The pallu comes with a floral brocade design, as you can see. And this gorgeous sari comes with a contrast blouse. A very beautiful, simple but comfortable sari. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AQ623. I repeat, the item code AQ623. And the offer price is 7,360 rupees only. Offers are valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari. I hope you ladies are shopping and enjoying our collection because it's a unique one. So please make sure you get in touch with us through the WhatsApp service. Let's see our next sari. Again a lightweight, very comfortable sari. The collection is Chinia Silk collection. The color is sea blue and magenta. Both are very unique, beautiful colors. The combination is really nice. Sea blue along with a hint of magenta. The body has all over floral buttis, ladies, as you can see. Beautiful design of floral buttis. The border itself has florals and leaves, and it's a beautiful magenta color border. Beautiful combination with sea blue. Let's see the pallu of this sari, which has florals and leaves, ladies. And this gorgeous sari comes with a contrast blouse. Nice blouse, very easy, very nice color. Sea blue with magenta. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is 8029. I repeat, the item code 8029. And the offer price is 4,560. Very reasonable, ladies. Come on. Very nice offers for you. I hope you ladies are taking screenshots because offers are valid only for 24 hours. Let's see our next sari. A very beautiful Banarsi fancy collection, as you can see. The color is gold and pink, ladies. Beautiful combination of gold and pink. This is not at all heavy, ladies, but it looks like it's a little heavy because the work is so intricate and beautiful. The body has floral jal with paisley buttis. Very beautiful combination of gold and pink. Let's see the border, which is a Paithani border. Unique and intricate Paithani border for you ladies. It has peacocks and parrots on it. Very beautiful Paithani border. Looks very elegant, lovely. Let's see the pallu again, which has all over florals with leaves, jal and peacocks. Nice design, ladies. This is also Paithani. Now this gorgeous sari comes with a very beautiful blouse, as you can see. A very beautiful blouse. Contrast blouse, heavily worked on. Beautiful print, ladies. It looks very nice with the gold and pink color which is on the sari. It's a nice collection. All the saris are so fascinating. I hope you ladies are taking screenshots. Let's see the details of the sari, and the item code for this sari is 8024. I repeat, the item code 8024, and the offer price is 8,560 rupees only. Offers are valid only for 24 hours, and the offer price again is 8,560. Make sure send the screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move ahead to our next sari. Beautiful color, very lightweight. I'm loving all the saris. Such a beautiful body, as you can see. The collection is a fancy collection, ladies. The color is a beautiful sea green, as you can see. The body has florals in geometrical checks with thread work. Minute thread work here. Very beautiful, elegant. A nice sea green color. It looks very, very nice. Superb when worn. Let's move on to the border, which has floral jal in thread work. And the pallu, which has floral buttis in thread work. Now this gorgeous sari comes with a contrast blouse. It's a beautiful sea green color, very nice, easy to wear. The body is very beautiful, very elegant at the same time. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is 8038. I repeat, the item code 8038, and the offer price is 5,920 rupees only. Very, very reasonable. Valid for only 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have a lot more saris awaiting you ladies. I hope you ladies are shopping, because Varamahalakshmi Silks brings to you all amazing offers every day, and you can get in touch with us through our WhatsApp video call service, or you can come down to our stores and visit us. Let's see our next sari. Again, a lightweight collection. The collection is a chinia silk and a very beautiful color, as you can see, navy blue along with a hint of pink. The body has floral butties in zari, beautiful navy blue color along with a hint of pink. All over floral butties in zari. Let's see the border, which is pink in color, comes with floral jal and boxes. Now the pallu of this sari is a floral brocade pallu, beautiful, beautiful, looks very elegant. And this gorgeous sari comes with a contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, I'll show you the details, but before that, once again, it's a very beautiful lightweight sari from the Chinia collection, and it's a pink along with the navy blue. Let's see the details of this sari. Take a screenshot along with the item code, which is AO457. I repeat, the item code AO457, and the offer price again, ladies, very, very reasonable. 4,320 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Beautiful combination once again. Lightweight sari, easy to wear, comfortable. Let's see our next sari. Wow, ladies, again a very gorgeous sari for you. Looks lovely. It is the Banarsi Fancy collection, as you can see. The colors are navy blue along with a red. I think navy blue looks amazing on the body. Very, very beautiful, lovely color. Let's see the body, which has florals in zigzag lines all over. Very intricate design on the body, florals in zigzag lines. Now the border is unique, ladies. It has ikat florals. So many combinations in one sari, one stop destination. Very, very beautiful border, ikat florals. Let's see the pallu, which has kadi with ikat florals again. The sari comes with a nice contrast blouse. Very beautiful. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, let's see the details. Take a screenshot along with the item code 8030. I repeat, the item code 8030, and the offer price is 5,680 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. A very, very beautiful sari for you. One last time. Let's see our next sari. Very, very comfortable again. Lightweight sari, ladies. The collection once again to you is a Chinia silk collection. The colors are very earthy, yet very simple, elegant beige and brown. It's a very beige all over the body with a hint of brown. The body has florals and leaves jal in zari lines on the body all over. Beautiful light beige color. Elegant and lovely at the same time. The borders has floral jal and cross lines. Brown colored border for you. And coming to the pallu, which has floral buttis with zari lines. Now this gorgeous sari, ladies, comes with a contrast blouse, which is brown in color, looks beautiful with the beige. It's a nice earthy colored sari, yet lightweight, very comfortable, looks beautiful when worn. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, and the item code of this sari is AM85. I repeat, the item code AM85, and the offer price is 4,240. Again, very reasonable for you ladies, for only Varamahalakshmi viewers. So please make sure you take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving ahead, ladies, I would like to tell you all that the jewelry I'm wearing is from Shreya Raj Jewellers. Very, very beautiful yet simple. I'm wearing studs, which has a lot of work on it. Very beautiful. Complements the designer collection I'm wearing today. Comes with 2 bangles. I'm wearing 2 bangles. Very beautiful, elegant. They have their showrooms in US and one in Madhapur, India. So make sure you check the collection as well. Let's focus on our saris now. Again a lightweight sari, ladies. Beautiful Chinia silk collection once again I brought to you. The color is mustard and blue. Very unique combination again. The mustard all over the body. The body has florals and leaf buttis, minute work. Very beautiful all over. Also the border, which is blue in color, has florals and paisley jal. Beautiful combination of mustard and blue. Easy to wear sari. Beautiful for festive occasions. Let's see the pallu. A very beautiful pallu, as you can see, looks lovely. Florals and leaves jal on it. Now this beautiful combination comes with a contrast blouse. It's a beautiful combination of mustard and navy blue. So let's see the details of the sari. If you like to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. 8028, I repeat the item code 8028, and the offer price is 4,400 rupees only. Offers are valid only for 24 hours. Once again, the item code 8028 and 4,400 is the viewer's price. Take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002 onto our next gorgeous sari. Please make sure sending in a lot of screenshots, ladies. Today's collection is very, very unique. We are awaiting a lot of orders because all the saris are very lightweight yet unique. All are different collections, so waiting your orders. Let's see our next sari. Again a Chinia silk collection sari, ladies, which has 2 colors which are very, very beautiful, and one of the same family, which is peacock blue and sea green. Peacock blue color all over the body with sea green on the border. The body has floral jal and cross, as you can see. Beautiful color of peacock blue. Very royal, elegant, comfortable. Comes with the border which has florals and leaves on it, and it's a sea green color border. Loving the combination. It's very, very unique yet beautiful. Let's see the pallu, which is again a floral brocade pallu for you. And this sari is coming with a contrast blouse, which is plain. You can design it. It's very, very beautiful. 2 colors, very nice. Sea green and the blue. Looks very nice, comfortable, easy to wear, perfect for festivals. So take a screenshot if you like to purchase this sari along with the item code, which is 8025. I repeat the item code 8025, and the offer price is 4,160 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving ahead, ladies, I hope you are following us on our digital platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. And if you're not, I will show you how.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
I hope you ladies followed. It was very easy, right? So make sure you follow us on our digital platforms. Moving ahead to our next sari comes a Kora collection sari. Very beautiful body, ladies. The print is very elegant. The color is brown and blue. The body is all over self-embossed, as you can see. Beautiful earthy color, brown color, comes with a hint of dark blue, I would say. And the border has floral jal in zigzag lines. The collection is the Kora collection. Very, very beautiful brown and blue colored sari for you. The pallu of the sari has zari lines. Very beautiful yet elegant at the same time. Comes with a contrast blouse, ladies. Can be designed. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. It's a very, very beautiful sari. Self-embossed, lightweight, comfortable. Let's see the details. Taking a screenshot along with the item code, which is 8045. I repeat the item code 8045, and the offer price is 6,160. Very, very reasonable. Only for Varamahalakshmi viewers. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 890001 0002. Beautiful self-embossed work. On to our next sari. Lightweight, comfortable sari once again. I think from the Chinia collection. The color is beautiful, yellow and blue. A light, bright yellow, as you can see, very vibrant, very amazing yellow. The body has leaf buttis in zari all over, as you can see, along with the yellow color. Very, very vibrant, very beautiful. The border has small boxes, which is blue in color. Simple border because the body is very, very beautiful, just complementing each other very well. Small boxes on the border, and the pallu has florals and leaves. Of course, comes with a contrast blouse, very beautiful, blue color along with the yellow. Very nice yet beautiful, lovely combination, vibrant yellow colored sari. If you wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, and the item code for this sari is 826. I repeat the item code 826, and the offer price is 4,560 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 890001 0002. On to our next sari. Beautiful purple color I can see here. Again a lightweight, beautiful sari. The collection is a fancy Banarsi collection, ladies. The body has floral buttis in zari all over, and it's a nice magenta color. Very beautiful yet elegant at the same time. The body, as you can see, has floral buttis all over, magenta color. Let's move on to the border, which is a very beautiful Paithani border. Very nice, with floral jal and kadi Paithani border. All the multicolors. Let's see the pallu, which has kadi with floral buttis, as you can see. And the blouse of this gorgeous sari is a self blouse. It's a very nice sari, ladies. A magenta color, very vibrant again, very beautiful, lightweight, very comfortable. You can easily wear it anywhere. Perfect for festivals, I would say. Comfortable yet beautiful. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AP271. I repeat the item code of this sari, AP271, and the offer price is 6,720, valid for 24 hours only. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 890001 0002. On to our next sari. Once again a lightweight sari, very, very lightweight, as you can see. The collection is a Kora collection, and I'm really liking the color combination, which is a light pink with a wine color. Very, very unique color combination. Having with the bodies, which has floral buttis all over, as you can see. Wine color with floral buttis. And the border, which has florals and leaves jal. It's a light pink colored border, very beautiful, elegant. I'm really liking the combination, one dark of one blue. Let's see the pallu of the sari, which has a diamond brocade pallu. Very beautiful yet elegant. Comes with a very beautiful contrast blouse, pink in color. Nice combination, no ladies. Very light along with the dark wine. These combinations only make you look beautiful, and it's very lightweight, very comfortable. So please make sure to take a screenshot along with the item code, and the item code for this sari is AQ645. I repeat the item code AQ645, and the offer price is 8,640 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 890001 0002. Bringing to your notice, ladies, that if you in case miss any of our live sessions and miss any of our collections, you don't have to worry, because we have all our live videos saved on our in digital platforms like Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So you can go down and see the lives there and choose your favorite saris from there as well, in case you miss this. So waiting your orders. Next sari. Kora collection. Very beautiful black color. The first sari, which is black in color. Very beautiful. Kora collection. Let's see the body, which has leaf buttis and cross lines all over. Very beautiful sari, ladies. Nice black color. Kora collection. Really, really liking the border, which has diamonds on it. Black color with diamonds on the border. Let's see the pallu, which is a kadi pallu. And this gorgeous sari has a self blouse. It's a black color self blouse. You can design it however you want. It's a nice lightweight sari. It's unique because it's black and it's a Kora collection. Very lightweight, super comfortable. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, which is AN598. I repeat the item code AN598, and the offer price is 7,200 only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Moving on to our next sari. Please keep shopping, ladies. We have another collection waiting. Very, very beautiful. Let's see this sari. The collection is Bhagalpuri collection. Very beautiful. The color is pink in color. Nice vibrant pink. Looks very nice. Let's see the body, which is plain all over, and the border which has kadi with temples. Also the pallu, which has zari lines on it. Very beautiful. Comes with a contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, and the item code is AQ314. I repeat the item code AQ314, and the offer price is 6,080 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Please keep shopping, ladies. We are waiting for your screenshots. Let's see our next sari. Lightweight, comfortable sari, green in color, very beautiful. The collection again is a Bhagalpuri collection. Green and navy blue color sari, beautiful combination. The body is plain, as you can see. When the body is plain, the borders are worked on. The border has floral checks with temples. Very beautiful, intricate, lovely border. Let's see the pallu of this sari, which has zari lines. Very nice, and it comes with a contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for the sari is AQ318. I repeat the item code AQ318. And the offer price is 6,000 rupees only. Very, very reasonable, ladies. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next gorgeous pink colored sari I see here. The body is also very beautiful, very lightweight. As you can see, the collection is the Kora collection, pink in color. The body has diamonds and zari checks all over, as you can see. Lovely pink color, as you can see, very lightweight, comfortable. Let's see the border, which has kadi with floral jal. And the pallu again, which has kadi work. Now this sari comes with a contrast blouse. Pink in color, can be designed, very beautiful, lightweight, comfortable sari. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AK571. I repeat the item code AK571. Offer price 5,760. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Very lightweight pink color sari for you. Let's see our next sari again. Very lightweight again. Comfortable. The Kora collection, once again, the color is multicolor and the body has self-embossed all over, as you can see. Very nice and elegant, looks lovely when worn. The border has floral jal on it. And the pallu, which has zari lines. Now this gorgeous sari comes with a self blouse. Very beautiful sari, very nice, elegant, comfortable. Let's see the details of the sari. Take a screenshot along with the item code AQ593. I repeat the item code AQ593. Offer price 6,160 only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. I hope you ladies are shopping because we have yet more saris waiting for you. Very beautiful, very elegant. So keep shopping. Again, a beautiful combination of pink and blue I see here. The collection is the Kora collection. Royal blue with pink. The body has floral booties all over. A very nice royal blue, very nice colors, vibrant, along with a light pink. The border has florals and paisley jal. Light pink color border, very beautiful, elegant. Let's see the pallu, which has a floral brocade work on it. And the sari comes with a contrast. It's a very beautiful sari, beautiful combination of royal blue and pink. And let's see the details of the sari, and if you wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code 843. I repeat the item code 843, and the offer price is 8,640 only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari. The collection is the Kora collection once again, a beige and yellow colored sari, unique combination, light colors, very beautiful, comfortable at the same time. The body has paisleys and circles in zari all over, as you can see. Let's see the border, which has beautiful cross lines, intricate work, and the pallu again has cross lines. Very beautiful beige color. This comes with a self blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AN566. I repeat the item code AN566, and the offer price is 6,080, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Beige and yellow color, very lightweight and comfortable. On to our next sari. Again a lightweight sari, ladies, yellow in color, as you can see. The body has floral buttis and cross checks all over. Moving to the border, which is diamonds and buttis in lines. Very beautiful. Yellow colored sari, very lightweight, comfortable. The pallu again is diamonds and buttis in lines. Now this gorgeous sari comes with a self blouse, very beautiful sari. Very nice yellow color. The contrast blouse can be designed. Let's see the details of this sari. The item code is AN571. I repeat the item code AN571. Offer price 6,080 rupees only. Lightweight yellow colored sari from the Kora collection. Send in a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We have more saris awaiting, ladies, waiting for your screenshots. Let's see our next sari. Chinia silk collection once again brought to you. The color is beige and red. The body has floral buttis all over, as you can see. Beautiful beige and red combination. The borders have leaf buttis, red in color. Very intricate border. The pallu has leaf brocade. And this comes with a contrast blouse. Beige and red color, beautiful combination. Chinia silk collection, lightweight, easy and comfortable to wear. Let's see the details of the sari. The item code is 834. I repeat the item code 834. Offer price 4,560 only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number. That is 8900010002, where we will arrange a live video call service for you, so you can select the design, patterns, color, combination, all by yourself, and we can deliver it to your doorstep. We have cash on delivery services available in Hyderabad and shipping all across India. Waiting for your orders, ladies. Let's see our next sari. The collection of this is Bhagalpuri collection. Blue and pink with all over plain body, as you can see. The borders have kadi with temples. Beautiful pink color border. And blue and pink combination. Very beautiful color combination, as you can see, ladies. Let's see the pallu, which is a kadi pallu. Very beautiful. This sari comes with a contrast blouse. It's a very beautiful and lightweight sari, as you can see, Bhagalpuri collection. Pink and blue in color. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is U969. I repeat the item code U969, and the offer price 6,080 only. For Varamahalakshmi viewers, make sure you send a screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8900010002, which is valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send in a lot of screenshots. This is again a Bhagalpuri collection sari. The color is magenta and green, unique combination of magenta and green. The body has florals and leaves print all over. Very beautiful. Coming to the borders, which has floral jal and buttis in boxes. Very beautiful combination of magenta and green. Now let's see the pallu of the sari, which has zari lines. And this sari comes with a beautiful contrast blouse which can be worn. It's a very beautiful lightweight sari, again a Bhagalpuri collection sari. If you like this sari, let's see the details of the sari. Take a screenshot along with the item code AP303. I repeat the item code AP303. Offer price 6,160 only, ladies. Valid for 24 hours. Beautiful offers running for you. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Unique collection awaiting you. Loving the body, such a beautiful work on it. The collection is organza, our first organza sari of today's collection. Very beautiful. The body has florals and leaves jal in thread work, as you can see. Beautiful color combination, orange with sea green. Lovely color. Looks very beautiful, lovely when worn. The borders have floral jal, buttis in circles, intricate sea green border for you. The pallu, ladies, has zari lines. And a contrast blouse. Nice sea green color, very lightweight, easy to wear. The thread work is very beautiful on this. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AJ622. I repeat the item code AJ622. Offer price 6,880. Beautiful organza sari, ladies. What's the price? Valid for 24 hours. Let's see our next sari. Very, very beautiful. Once again, please make sure you send in screenshots because the offers are valid only for 24 hours. We are available for you. Collection is the Kora collection. The color is blue and grey. The body has florals and leaves jal in zari with zigzag lines on the border. Let's see the pallu, which has zigzag lines as well. Comes with a beautiful contrast blouse. Very beautiful color of grey and blue. Let's see the details of the sari, and the item code is AN588. I repeat the item code AN588. Offer price 8,720. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send in the screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari. A different sari, ladies, for you. It's a fancy sari, peach in color. The body has floral buttis in stones, kardana and zardozi work. Beautiful intricate body, as you can see, peach colored sari. The borders have floral jal in zardozi and mirror work. Very beautiful, elegant borders. And this gorgeous fancy sari comes with a running pallu. A nice ready-made blouse for you with this I have. Very, very beautiful, ladies, as you can see. Looks very nice with the color. The back of this blouse also is very, very pretty. It is very nice. Let's see the details for this gorgeous fancy sari. It's peach in color. You saw the blouse, very, very beautiful. Let's see the details. The item code is Z648. I repeat the item code Z648. Offer price 5,920. Valid for 24 hours. Beautiful, beautiful sari for you. Fancy sari. Please send in a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari. Another beautiful sari, ladies. Please do have a look onto this one. Red color. A fancy sari for you. Very beautiful. The body has floral buttis in pearls, kardana and patchwork. Red color. Very beautiful. Nice color. The border has floral buttis with zardozi and mirror work. Mirror work looks very nice, ladies, when worn. Elegant yet lovely at the same time. Perfect for festive. Let's see the pallu. Floral buttis in pearls, kardana and patchwork. What a lovely pallu, ladies. Very nice. The mirror work is very intricate. Let's see the ready-made blouse which we have. Very beautiful. The back is. Let's see the front. Looks very nice with the red. It's very nice contrast blouse. Let's see the details of this sari. A red colored fancy sari with beautiful mirror work. The item code is Y256. Repeat the item code Y256. Offer price 11,140 only. Valid for 24 hours. Worth the price, ladies. It's very beautiful. The mirror work, the zardozi work. Let's see our next sari. Coming back to our collection, which is Chakma silk collection for you. The color is green. The borders are Paithani borders, as you can see, very rich, very beautiful, comfortable, easy to wear. The body has floral booties in zari all over, green color with a paithani border, very rich, elegant. Let's see the pallu, which has kadi with floral booties. And it comes with a nice self blouse, can be designed. It's a nice sari, ladies, very comfortable, easy to wear, paithani border, very rich, very elegant. Let's see the details. The item code is AF535. Repeat the item code AF535. Offer price 6,080, only valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next sari, ladies. Very, very lightweight again. The collection is Kora collection. Colors are red and mustard. Very, very beautiful. The body has zari checks all over, red color. The borders have zari lines and floral booties. Mustard color border. The pallu has florals and polkas in cross checks. And it comes with a contrast blouse. A nice color combination, very, very beautiful magenta. Let's see the details of the sari, and the item code is 842. I repeat the item code 842. Offer price 7,980, only valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Beautiful red and mustard collection. Let's see our next sari. Very beautiful pattern on it. It's a collection of semi Banarsi, ladies. Very, very unique. First sari of today's collection. Color is pink. The body has muniyas in zari checks all over. Very beautiful. Loving the borders, which have parrots and florals with double muniyas. Very beautiful. Pink colored sari with muniya work. Let's see the pallu. Kadi with floral jal and parrots. Now this sari, ladies, comes with a beautiful, beautiful contrast blouse. I'm sorry, it's a self blouse, can be designed. Pink color. Let's see the details of this gorgeous semi Banarsi sari, and the details of this sari are, I'll show you it once again. It's very beautiful. Semi Banarsi pink colored sari. Muniya work on it, very, very beautiful. The item code for this sari is Z602. I repeat the item code Z602, and the offer price is 7,440 rupees only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure, ladies, you send in a lot of screenshots because already our viewers are loving this sari. Let's see our next sari. Please make sure you send in a screenshots, and our WhatsApp number is 8900010002. We have amazing designs, patterns for you, ladies, and we are waiting for your orders. We have our showrooms in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. You can come down, visit our stores, or you can book your saris through a WhatsApp video call service where we'll show you all our collections, whatever you like, and deliver it at your doorstep. We have cash on delivery available in Hyderabad and shipping all across India. We are waiting for your orders, ladies. Exclusive offers only for Varamahalakshmi viewers. Let's see our next sari. Very beautiful, fancy again, fancy collection with a peach color sari. The body has florals in pearls and sequence work. Unique sequence work, ladies, very, very beautiful. The border has florals in pearl work. And the pallu is a running pallu. The blouse is a contrast blouse. I'll show you. It's a ready-made blouse, very beautiful. I'm in love with this blouse, ladies. Look at the sleeves. It looks so nice with the peach color, green colored contrast blouse sari. Very beautiful blouse, ready made for you. Let's see the details of this gorgeous fancy sari. And the item code is Z692. Repeating the item code Z692. Offer price 6,400, only valid for 24 hours. Take a screenshot along with the item code. Send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari. Coming back to our collection, which is the body having thread work and a nice lightweight sari, light color. It's a fancy sari again. Color is light green. The body has florals and geometrical checks with thread work. As you can see, the thread work on the body, very beautiful. The borders of this sari have floral jal in thread work. And the pallu has floral buttis in thread work. This comes with a nice self blouse. Very, very light, easy to wear, comfortable fancy sari with thread work. Looks very nice. Let's see the item code of this gorgeous sari 8040, repeating the item code 8040, offer price 5,920 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002, awaiting your orders, ladies. Let's see our next one. The collection is fancy again. It's a combination of peach and grey, very beautiful combination. The body has mirrors, pearls, kardana and thread work all over it. Loving the border which has floral jal and mirror work, pearls, kardana and thread work. Comes with a running pallu, gorgeous pallu. A fancy sari with 2 color combinations. Comes with a ready-made blouse, very beautiful blouse again, ladies. Looks so nice. It's a different contrast blouse. It has nice work on it, on the sleeves, on all over. It looks very nice with the fancy collection. Let's see the sari once again, and moving on to the details of the sari, and the item code is 835, repeating the item code 835, offer price 6,080 rupees, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Combination fancy sari for you, ladies. Moving on. Nice, beautiful Banarsi fancy sari for you. Again, it is lightweight, ladies, not that heavy. Colors blue and pink. The body has florals and zigzag lines all over, as you can see. A very nice border, ikat border, as you can see. Ikat border, ikat florals and leaves. The pallu has kadi with florals. Kadi with florals. And let's see the blouse of this sari, which is a beautiful contrast blouse. It's a very nice sari, ladies, very beautiful. Let's see the details of the sari. The item code is 8031, repeating the item code 8031, offer price 5,680 only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Ending the collection today, let's see the sari on our mannequins. The collection is the Bhagalpuri collection. As you can see, the color is orange and pink. The body is plain, very elegant, very nice. The borders have zari lines with temples. The pallu also has zari lines, ladies, and this comes with a nice contrast blouse, as you can see. The color combination is really beautiful. Let's see the details of the sari, and the item code is AQ349, repeating the item code AQ349. Offer price 6,496, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari, ladies. As you can see, it's a very nice yellow colored sari. The Kora collection, it has brown on it. It's actually a green, not a yellow. It's a green and blue brown colored sari. The body has floral buttis in zari, and the pallu is florals and leaves jal. Beautiful border, comes with leaves jal in zari, and comes with a nice contrast blouse. Looks very lovely, ladies. The color combination, 3 color combinations for you. Let's see the details, and the item code is AP319, repeating the item code AP319, offer price 7,360, valid for 24 hours, only for Varamahalakshmi viewers. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Seeking blessings from the goddess. Moving on to our next sari, ladies. Very beautiful sari. It's pink color. It's the collection of the sari is Chinya silk collection, ladies. The colors pink and green. The body has floral buttis and zari, very beautiful, with floral jal on the border. Very elegant, nice collection of Chinya silk. As you can see, the blouse is a nice contrast blouse. The pallu of the sari is kadi pallu. Let's see the details of the sari. Item code AT44. I repeat the item code AT44. Offer price 4,400 only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Beautiful interiors of our store. Please come down, have a visit. Moving on to our next saree. Let's admire the patterns, ladies. Such a beautiful saree it is. Loving the color combination and the pattern. Very nice border. Semi Banarsi collection for you. The color is navy blue. The body has floral buttis and peacocks in paisleys, and the borders have paisleys and floral jal with swans. Very nice and a lovely border, ladies. The pallu comes with kadi with peacocks and paisley buttis, and the blouse for this gorgeous navy blue saree is a self blouse. The collection is semi Banarsi, very beautiful. The patterns are with swans. The item code is Z627. I repeat the item code of this saree is Z627. Offer price 6,960 only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Offers are only valid for 24 hours, ladies. Let's see the saree one last time. Navy blue semi Banarsi. I hope you ladies enjoyed today's collection because all the patterns, all the designs were very, very unique. We had so much variety for you. We are waiting for your orders. I will be back tomorrow again with another beautiful collection for you. Until then, ladies, stay safe. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.